Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously, create dozens of quick lists, display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. Wednesday, January 11th, 2017. The Trump speech is over now. He did not speak about a lot. He spoke a lot, but he did not talk about a lot. And the most important thing he's talked about was the health care. Price of drugs, and it brought the sector down, and many stocks went down on this movement, like Bristol Myers here broke down, and some other stocks also, but not all of the sector, but some of them, and that's about the only thing he said. I mean, he's only going to get the power on the 20th, and so far, I don't know, the market has not taken any direction. It's been volatile, but look, first of all, it's not a big quote. It's just another quote. Like yesterday, it was going up yesterday. It's now going down a little bit. On the Dow, now it's positive, but look, it is still within the same neutral formation. So actually, on a long run, it did not change nothing, whatever he said. So, but it's still, it is still the kind of movement we have, but now 100 points out of 2,000, out of 20,000 points is not a big movement. So it is volatile, but again, the numbers are very, very small. So we don't really know where this market is going, because it's not only the market that are now has no direction at all, but also most of the sectors. First, look at the energy sector went down yesterday. The crude oil went down yesterday, and it's going up today. But still, the stocks are not going up. So it doesn't look like the confidence is there. And we have quite a bit of divergence in between the stocks. We have a group of stocks that remain within their sideways movement, and some stocks that are going down. So let's see a few examples. Like you have Cenovus here, You have also Canadian Natural Resources, Imperial Oil, and a few other stocks like Baytex. But a large group stays still within their sideway movement, and some have broken through their sideway movement a few days ago. So there are some stock we should hold. There are some stock we should have sold. And for the gold is not going up. It's going sideways. At the top of the last 2 days is now very important. And as you can see, the gold stocks are a little bit weaker than the gold itself, but still above their support. So we don't have any bearish signal yet on the gold sector. So many gold stock went down today, but still none, anywhere close to none, have broken their support yet. So we don't have any more direction. So we don't buy in this situation because there's no beginning of any bullish cycle. But whenever we break this formation on the upside, that would be a nice movement, because in many cases it would reverse the downtrend. And then the mining went up today. The movement has started yesterday. Some signal were very clear, like Teck and First Quantum yesterday, and now it's been going up for 2 days. Now it has Teck has settled around 31.50, and is following a sideways movement right now. So actually, in day trading, in swing trading, it is mostly yesterday that the first signal occurred. So it's getting a little bit late to enter this movement already. The question bar is open. Do not hesitate if you have question for me. I only have one question on the bar right now on the tablet. So we had a couple of financial results, and Chorus, despite a good result, went down, but it went up a few days ago. They came out with 41 cents as opposed to the expectation that would 37 cents. Aralys Pharmaceutical has got a patent. The stock is going down because the healthcare sector is negative in the U.S. Boston Scientific loses half of his yesterday's quote. They are going to launch a cardio valve next year. And the Ministry of Justice decided it was not going to investigate anymore on the assumption they did before. They said that maybe the airline company has planned altogether to keep the price up, but it doesn't seem that they found anything, and they will not continue to pursue that. And we have a couple of the news. So all of the airline retook their bullish cycle, and Bombardier has gone up one more day again today. And there was a big news. They have won a contract of the RER new generation. It's the largest train contract ever in Europe. It's 1.5 billion. Out of 2.16 billion, and it could reach as far as 3.75 billion in the future. And the new train should take the track on 2021. And Nemaska Lithium, which is going sideways after the last bullish cycle. They had obtained their patent on their process in Australia. So that's all. So next buy signal is around 153 to 154 on NMX. A little bit later, we're going to the break.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The first question is here is about KZZ. KZZ, let's find it. It's Nunavik Nickel Mine. There is no question. It's just KZZ. Danny is writing. To me, it's not an interesting stock at all. It doesn't mean you cannot make money with it, but look, it's a stock at 10 cents. And today the volume is 0, and yeah, yes, it's 0, and someday they make 20,000, someday 50,000. So the stock is not liquid at all. So you cannot buy a lot of it. And look, most of the days they don't even have any trade. So to me, it's a stock that is not interesting at all. And Cara Operation. In the U.S. Let's see if we have some time. Yeah, so that's U is for U.S. But let's try. Oh, we have a Cara here, which is Cara Therapeutic. So it's a healthcare stock. It's not going down that much today. Okay, what's but it is still within an uptrend. Let's put a it's going bad at the moment though. So it was going up prior to this to 11 o'clock, and at 11 it failed like any other stock. And right now, if it keeps going down, there will be sooner or later a sell signal on it. But I think you should tough this until 10.50. I don't know if you're in it or not and trying to buy. There was a nice movement there this morning, but it's no longer very well. So I think with what happened today about the healthcare stock, we should be worried for a few days. It makes difficult to find the best signal now. So it's still within the uptrend. So it's going to become neutral if it comes back to 10.50, because it will no longer be an uptrend, and it would also it will be a sideways trend. But still, there are some chances to see it getting better, but so far it's very hard. It's very hard because the pressure is on the downside, so the stock will certainly test its support. So I think we should wait a little bit before taking any decision on that one. It's not that easy to answer, and Lithium One is in a bad situation right now. Look, it's an increasing volume, and it's been heavy in the volume today, and it's going down also. It's following a downtrend right now since many months. So I think we should avoid that stock totally. It's not interesting at all. And right now there wouldn't be any signal, any buy signal, until the price of 25 to 28 cents. And then EXO is Aumento Capital 3. There was a signal yesterday on that stock, but it's quite suspicious. It's been quite a bit of volume. It's been millions in in volume. How much was it? 3 million in volume yesterday. And all of that happened in about half an hour, you know, from there to there. And since it's coming back down. So I'm a little bit worried about it because all of this movement has only last 1 day so far. So the only thing that is positive on that stock is we have a double support here. So from that price, we could start taking it seriously if we ever have a second movement. So I'd say that the buying price would be about 9 cents. And CS now, CS Capstone Mining. Capstone is on the move as the sector is right now. It's getting a little bit far in the within its bullish cycle, but it already started another one yesterday. So I'd say that everything is positive, and so a little bit late on that movement, but not that much. So the reversal of this actual movement, if you buy it at this price, is $1.29, and but so far there's no sign of anything that is negative. It's still going up. The volume has been sustained today. It's okay. It's an okay movement. A little bit far, but that's what the risk is. 148 to 128, there's a 20-cent risk on the stock. About Cara Nasdaq, and put the graph on 2 years, because please. Okay, let's try this. No, that's this one here. You want it on 2 years. So look, this is 2 years. So no matter if it's 2 years or 5 years, or it doesn't change anything. The only everything that's behind only shows that it's been at 22, but it doesn't mean it's going to go back. So what's happening is here. So the actual trend is an uptrend, and when you keep those same line here within the last thing, is that the stock is, it's quite unprecise, you see, because it goes a little bit too far down, a little bit too far up, you know. It's a mix in between good and bad signals, that we have a few bad signals here too, but overall the stock is going up. So right now it's a hold if you have it. I would not consider it as a buy right now, because as I explained before, it is going sideways, so there is no longer bullish momentum in the short term. So far the next buy signal should be around $11.95 or to $12. That's all I can say about it. So where are we now? So the crude oil, not the crude oil, but the oil stock are coming down once more. The mining is choking a little bit. It doesn't want to go any higher right now, and it's testing actual support. So you know, it's been going up for the last 2 days, so it's a little bit high to enter in this pattern right now. Consumer discretionary is coming back down, the staples coming back down, the financials and everything. So we just finished an upward movement, and we are returning on the downside right now. So I don't think you will see ever today a new high on those sectors. It's just a straight volatility. We thought the gold could do better this morning, but actually the only movement that happened, that the healthcare went down and the gold went up, but for a little while. Now at the moment, it seems like the market has decided to come back down. As we can see, the Nasdaq coming down to the low of the day, the Dow Jones is on the low of the day, the SPY 2 and the TS6 is coming. So there is no bullish momentum anywhere. Where we do have it, like in the mining, it seems to be running out of oxygen right now. So, and as far as I'm concerned, the gold stock and the crude and the oil stocks are weaker than their own resources. So I think for the day, we better leave these things going, think at the position that we have, check our supports on everything. So if it start having too many things going down, you know, I think we should reduce, may even be reducing some position. Maybe the market is not that happy with. I think they would expect more from Donald Trump. To me, he has spoke way too long for having said almost nothing this morning, because what he said was about the same thing as Hillary Clinton said before him. Remember last year? Hillary Clinton said she was, if she was elected, she was going to make it hard for the biotech because she said the prices are too high, and so I am very surprised to see Donald Trump retaking something that Hillary Clinton was saying before. So I think we got to watch to see where this thing is settling, because I think the market has deceived a little bit. Trump has deceived the market a little bit today. Thank you very much for attending. We'll see you next time.